In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zopi Dropshipping for Shopify. If you are ready to set up a dropshipping workflow inside your Shopify store, the first thing you will do is find the Zopi app within the Shopify app marketplace. This is the quickest way to make sure you are installing the correct tool and that it is compatible with your store. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the left side menu, also called the sidebar. In that sidebar, find the option that says Apps. Click Apps to move to the section where you can browse and install Shopify applications. This step matters because it takes you to the official place where Shopify apps are managed, so you can install and control your tools from one area. After you click Apps, you should see a page that is designed for app browsing and management. On that page, you will look for a search field. It may be labeled as Search Apps, or it may simply have a search bar at the top. When you find it, type Zopi into the search box. Then wait for the results to appear. This step is important because it filters the options so you only see what is relevant, rather than scrolling through unrelated apps. When the results show up, locate the app listing that is named Zopi Dropshipping. Make sure the name matches exactly, since sometimes there are similarly named tools. Once you find the correct listing, click Zopi Dropshipping. At this point, Shopify will open the app details page, or a preview page. You may see information about what the app does and what it offers. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right app screen before you continue. Now that you are viewing the Zopi Dropshipping page, the next step is to install it. On the app page, look for the button that says Install. Click Install to start the installation process. You should see Shopify begin to load the permissions and setup information. This is a normal part of installing apps because Shopify needs to know what the app will access in your store. After you click Install, you will be taken to the final confirmation screen. On that screen, you will see an option that again says Install, or it may show an Install confirmation button. Click Install one more time to complete the installation. This second click is what officially adds the app to your Shopify store, so it is the step that actually finishes the setup. Once the installation completes, you should see a message confirming that the app is installed, or you may be returned to the apps page where you can see it in your list. If there is any loading time, wait for the page to refresh. This ensures that the app is fully connected and ready for the next part of your configuration, such as signing in or setting up your dropshipping settings inside the app. At this stage, you have done the foundation work. You have reached the app marketplace, searched for the correct Zopi dropshipping listing, and installed it into Shopify. From here, you can move on to configuring the app according to your store needs, but the installation itself is already complete. And that covers everything you need to know for installing Zopi Dropshipping on Shopify. And that is all there is to it.